Well, due to heat flaming, people are suffering from different kind of diseases. So what you need to do? Hello, dear viewers. My name is Hassan Russell, and I have got a Facebook page, and the name of my Facebook page is English Door, where I usually love to post videos, especially people who would like to master their English language. So, in this video, I would like to give you just 3 tips that can really help you to get recovery, or to feel free, or to enjoy good health from heat flaming. So what you need to do whenever you get out, you should remember one thing, that you should have got 3 things with you. The very first thing is that you should have got a bottle of water. I mean, if you get out, you may go to your office, or you may go to your university, or you may go to your college. So you should have got a bottle of water. Number 2, you should have got a hand fan. Fan, very small fan. If you go to a market, I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to buy a hand fan. So you should have got a hand fan that you can turn on, and you can just be relaxed. So 2 things. And the third thing is that you should have got an umbrella. Okay, so you should ensure that you have got these 3 things. So whenever you get out, otherwise you may face different kind of problems, because it's seriously in a hot temperature day here in Bangladesh, and people are suffering from different kind of diseases. So you should take care of yourself. If you don't take care of yourself, you might suffer in the long run. So you should be watchful, and it's right time for you to be careful about this. Thank you.